Now, the great thing about all of our hydroponic systems is that curriculum comes with it. And when we say curriculum comes with it, it's not just PowerPoint slides and worksheets and activities. It is also our instructor guides, it's our quick start guides, it's our charts that tell you what are the different types of plants to grow, how long you should be, looking before harvest, how long to germinate. We give a ton of information for students to really kind of look and say, hey, how many days do I want to be growing this before I harvest it? You can look and say and chart out and say, hey, we need 45 days, we need 60 days, we need 90 days. And you can start looking at different types of plants that you would then want to grow in that sense. And we have charts to show you what are some of the easier plants to grow. If you're, first time trying, use our curriculum to teach you and your students how not to kill the plants. That could be a great success for you. For some of you said, okay, now we're on to the next thing. Hey, what are the different difficulty types of plants that we want to try? Let's challenge our students to see if they grow or if they don't grow. And you try some more difficult plants that are going to take longer time or a little bit more finicky in their growing process. And so with our curriculum, you're able to then actually go back and look at the logs that you've done. And what would you change? What would you do differently? How much nutrients you would provide? How much, water and sunlight? And then start doing some experiments with those. You can use that curriculum to say, okay, here's what the textbook says. Do we change it? Do we switch it up? What happens when you get more light or more wind or more nutrients? What happens when you get less? And start doing some experiments with that as well, which our curriculum helps you really to understand what the standards are, how to help you grow, but then also you can kind of go off path and do some of your own stuff with it as well.